Annyeonghaseyo, this is Donna, your Bisayang informant here in South Korea. Kaja!
Hi there, teachers and moms of very young learners. So last time I have shared to you a very fun and interactive way to review the previous learned vocabulary. And if you haven't seen it yet, so I will link it up here. And today I'm so excited to share to you a game that will keep your learner alive for your entire class. And I call this activity a popcorn game. This activity is very useful, especially when you hear this.
I am sleepy.
And the good thing about this is that the instructions are very simple, which your very young learners and young learners can easily understand. So very simple. Pop means stand up, corn, sit down, and popcorn, they're gonna shake their body or wiggle their hips. So yeah, very easy, and then this can really make them alive. Let's check it out. One more time. Wave your hands. Hi. Okay, can we stand up and sit down? Ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Stand up. Okay. All right. Sit down. Okay. Now, okay, sit down. Very well. All right. Lime is so pretty tonight. Okay. When teachers say pop, okay, let's do the popcorn game. When teachers say pop, Lime, stand up. Okay. When teachers say corn, Lime, sit down. When teachers say popcorn, Lime, shake your body. Okay? Ready? Okay. Pop, corn. Pop, corn.
Corn.
Pop, popcorn. Popcorn. Okay, sit down. All right, now let's do more faster. Ready? Ready? Yes.
Yes.
I'm ready. You say, I'm ready. I'm ready. Are you ready? Okay. Pop. 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 Good. Pop. Popcorn. 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 Corn. Pop. Popcorn.
Okay, very good. Okay, very well. All right.
A few moments later.
Donut teacher.
Yes.
I am sleepy.
You're sleepy? Okay.
I am sleepy.
Oh no!
I am sleepy.
So, a little bit of background with this kid. She actually studies with me past 9 p.m., so it's a bit late and sleepy time for kid. So, as a teacher, it's a challenge for me to keep her awake in my class. And using this activity, it really helped me to let her stay active and awake until I end the class. So, I hope this will help you as well. Let's check it out.
Pop. When I say pop, you.
Huh?
Okay, very good. Stand up. Pop, popcorn. Okay, very good. Pop, pop, pop. No corn. Pop, pop, pop. Stand up. Okay.
So that's it for today. I hope this video will help you and your students to stay awake. So let me know if how your student responds, and let me know if this video has helped you. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Annyeong!